Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, more like Call of Dookie? Apparently so. People are not happy with the single-player campaign, especially those who have pre-ordered just to play the single-player campaign. Now, if you like these videos and more, please like and subscribe. I appreciate you. Let's get into the news. This is via PC Gamer. Great website. Modern Warfare 3's rushed campaign isn't going over well with the fans who pre-ordered. This is hands down the worst COD campaign I've ever played. Players also are not happy about the open combat missions, which I could see why they're doing an open combat mission style thing. Kind of brings something new and different to the campaign. However, sometimes story modes should just be story modes, right? The months leading up to Modern Warfare 3 have slowly shown us how this year's Call of Duty isn't quite like the others. Nowhere has this become clearer than in Modern Warfare 3 campaign, which some players are calling one of the worst of the series. Not for usual reasons, a COD campaign can fall flat. 2019's was great. Modern Warfare 2's was pretty legit. I really enjoyed it, especially, spoiler alert, the last missions are in Chicago. And, oh yeah, shout out. Fans are pointing out that Modern Warfare 3 campaign's length is a brisk 4-ish hours compared to the usual 6 to 8. The over-reliance on small, open combat missions as evidence that Modern Warfare 3 was rushed or didn't get as much development time as usual for the series. Well, they crank these out every year. And it's the Madden 2K2s of FPSs. I think we're all a little bit sick of it. We were told that this iteration of the game was going to get an extra year in development, which it did not, and they just spewed something out. The game's official subreddit is currently a flurry of disappointments, memes, and bewilderment at a COD that doesn't seem to like itself this year. Oof. Quote, "This is hands down the worst COD campaign I've ever played, and Warzone is 100% to blame," wrote one Reddit user, which has the current top post. "What a slap in the face. I am shocked and appalled." I'm not shocked. I'm not shocked one bit. Are you kidding me? This is the most played FPS game around. They're going to keep making more and more of these regardless of how good or bad they are. The writing was on the wall this entire time, if you really think about it. Yeah, of course. Warzone has come up several times in the Modern Warfare 3 campaign reactions I've seen, probably because of how much Sledgehammer's open combat missions resemble mini Warzone missions. Sounds redundant. I didn't pre-order this game, by the way. I'm kind of teed off that they even made another one already. These levels, which make up around half of the campaign, are small sandbox missions that break from the series' usual brand of on-rails set pieces. They're sort of like co-op missions played alone, except they incorporate Warzone mechanics like looting and armor plates. I'm having fun with them, but it is weird how much the campaign relies on them for heavy lifting. Eesh. Here's a wonderful little meme. Me staring at the refund button after a couple campaign missions. Oof. It do be like that. At the root of the feedback, I'd argue, is a matter of mismanaged expectations driven by how Activision has talked about Modern Warfare 3. Started in 2022 when Bloomberg reported that Call of Duty, here we go, would not get a full premium release in 2023 instead of opting for expansion content for Modern Warfare 2. Yeah, but they're just sitting there going, hey, you know what? Make it a whole new game. Instead of just being some to be fair and putting some DLC in it, giving us more maps for MW2, more multiplayer maps, because I'm done with Warzone. I can't handle Warzone. It's not fun. And, I have said this in previous videos. They take away the things that all the players want as far as gameplay. And then what do? They now are regurgitating it for us in a brand new game and making us pay full price for it instead of it being something like DLC. Well, I mean, we'll see. We'll see, but back to the article. Activision later announced Modern Warfare 3 as a full business-as-usual $70 game, but as we learned more about Modern Warfare 3's unusual makeup, the package began to sound more and more like reported MW2 expansion in a standalone game, highlighting Modern Warfare 3 carries over all guns and cosmetics from Modern Warfare 2. Modern Warfare 3 will only have remake maps from the 2009 Modern Warfare 2 at launch, a strange map pool. There is no dedicated co-op mode, but instead a Treyarch-developed Zombies mode that reuses the Warzone map. Modern Warfare 3 is purchased and installed as if it's DLC for Modern Warfare 2, which means you have to boot up, apparently, you have to boot up Modern Warfare 2 in order to play Modern Warfare 3. Oh, yeah. Oh, it just says it right here. You literally have to launch Modern Warfare 2, now called the COD HQ, to access Modern Warfare 3. Wow. I'm not surprised. There were red flags like the fact that Calls of Duty never get direct sequels 1 year after the previous game, or how Sledgehammer Games would be leading a mainline Modern Warfare project instead of series' usual stewards, Infinity Ward. No single element is all that alarming, but taken together, they paint a picture of a game cobbled together by necessity. Quote, "This would have been so much better if it was just kept as a Modern Warfare 2, Year 2, but God forbid they don't have a full game release every year," wrote Reddit user. Yeah. Well, we could have skipped Modern Warfare 3 this year and just have taken whatever COD was up next. I agree. We're all sick of this. Campaigns aren't the biggest priority for most COD enjoyers. This is true. But especially as Activision has started to release them a full week before the multiplayer, they do set the tone for what's to come. The rest of Modern Warfare 3 releases on November 10th, the night before, depending on where you live. I'm not surprised. This doesn't surprise me. I'm so frustrated with how this franchise likes to do business and literally just take and take and take more skins. Where are they fixing the actual gameplay? Where are they adding like fun new maps? Where, no, but we're going to give you this skin for you to spend money on. 2019 Warzone with Verdansk was peak Call of Duty for me personally. What they keep doing here is very frustrating. So what do? When I stream this game? I play the multiplayer stuff. I do the dailies. I mute everybody. And I like to play Gunfight. Gunfight, to me, is just the most fun I have in COD, usually. And that's how I have my fun. But I'll tell you, if I do get this game, it's gonna be, they're gonna have to be dropping the price on this thing. And sure, fine, I'll miss out on some weapons. Oh well, it's a pay to win type of game with their seasons anyways. So I miss a couple seasons. But what do you guys think? Did you pre-order this game just for the campaign? Are you enjoying it? Are you one of the minority, I guess I would say, that's actually enjoyed the campaign? How is this open world-esque type stuff included within the story that you're liking? Please let me know down in the comments. Please be civil. You guys always are anyway. So that's some news, guys. We'll talk to you soon.